Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. My name is Jed George, and in this video, I'm going to be talking to you about the conversion pros. I want to give you a quick review and overview of the system to let you know what it's all about. Perhaps you've come across this system and you're asking the question, what is the conversion pros all about? What do you get with the conversion pros? How does it work? And how can it help you in your online business? I will say that this system is fantastic. I'm so glad that I found the conversion pros because it's helping me in building my business. It's helped me build my list, and it's helped me generate leads and sales in my online business. And so hopefully at the end of this video you get a better understanding of what it's about and why you should use the conversion pros, and then you can start using it yourself. Okay, now I will say one thing before I say anything else, and that is the best way to get a thorough review of the system or of the conversion pros is to get started with it yourself. All right, there is no other better way than doing that, because you're able to go through the whole system yourself and taking your time. If perhaps I don't cover something you're wanting to know about, then the best way is to get signed up yourself. The good thing about the conversion pros is it comes with a 7-day free trial. You can get a 7-day free trial. You don't even need your credit card. You have full access to all the functions, all the features inside the conversion pros for 7 days, absolutely free. Check it out. It's exactly what I did, and I'm so glad I did, because it was exactly what I was looking for in a marketing system, and I have not looked back since. And yeah, I'm a full paid member now, and I do recommend that's what you do. You go ahead and get a 7-day free trial, check it out, and if it's not for you, then there's nothing to lose. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Okay, so the conversion pros has three main functions that you can use in your business. Number one, the conversion pros can be used to market your online business. Okay, so no matter what business opportunity you're involved in, whether that's MLM, network marketing, offline business, whatever the case is, the conversion pros comes with all the tools that you need to build your online business. Okay, so it comes with lead capture page builders, landing page builders, webinar page builders, autoresponder, tiny URL. Actually, I'll show you. Okay, so landing page builder. So if you're wanting to build your email marketing list, you can build some great capture pages. I've got a bunch here that I can show you. I can go through and show. I'll show you just some of them. So here's a page I built today. Just stunning pages that you can use. You can edit the text, make them to your liking. Here's another one. Here's another one. They're the plain ones. Here's a video landing page. You can put some information there, name and email. You can even put a field there for phone number. And here's another video one as well. Looks slightly different. Okay, you can change out the backgrounds, edit the text, change the colors. You can do all sorts of things with these pages. No HTML coding. It's just pretty much click. If you can click a mouse, you can and type on your keyboard, you can build any of these pages. Okay, so I've also got here's another landing page. Here's a bridge page as well. All right, so when someone opts in here, when they put in their name and email, they'll come to this page where I say thank you for taking action. I talk about I'll introduce myself to them, and then I put a button below where they click on that goes directly to the sales page of my business opportunity. So yeah, so as I said, it comes with these particular tools, landing page builder, all right? And the other main function is the autoresponder, all right? The autoresponder, obviously, once they opt in, then you build your email marketing list, and they start getting automatic emails, all right? So you can set up an unlimited series of emails. You can spread them out, to be sent out every 24 hours, 48 hours, 72 hours, whatever the case is, whatever you would like to do. You can also broadcast messages to your list as well. You can send out text messages. All right, so it's got. Look, I'll show you inside when I go to my main list. So once you can have multiple campaigns, but you can also have one main list. So you can actually transfer the list a lead from one list to another. All right, so I'll give you an example. So in my main list, I don't have a series because I use the main list for my broadcasting. So as you can see, I've got a bunch of broadcast emails, all right, that I've sent out. I've done quite a few, okay? There's SMS as well, so you can SMS your list as well. All right, I haven't done it in this list because it's my main list, which mainly has emails. But I could show you another one. There's contacts and there's tags as well that you can set up. So tags are great because if you want to change out a link without going through each one of your emails and changing the link, you can just put it into the tag area, and all you do is change the tag area and it automatically updates the entire series of your emails, okay? And I can personally show you how to do that if you want to get signed up underneath me. All right, so yeah, so they're the main things, all right? But look, just to show you here the tools, so you got webinar builder, landing page, external capture page. That's where if you want to put a form on a blog, so they opt into your list. Contact manager, autoresponder, email broadcaster, text message, QR code creator, invoicing tool, blogging platform, link rotator, tiny URL system, and some other generative marketing videos. So tiny URL is taking a long link and making it into a short one. Has tracking there as well, and also link rotators. If you have a co-op, or if you want to rotate some page, you can certainly use that, all right, to rotate your pages. All right, so comes with all the tools that you need to market and build your online business, no matter what that is. Okay, so that's the first function that you use the Conversion Pros for. So it's a one-stop shop. Okay, and I guarantee you'll be saving yourself tons of money by using the Conversion Pros over some of the other well-known brands. Okay. Because one thing about especially the autoresponder is it's an unlimited autoresponder or list building platform. So you can have 100,000 emails and you will still be paying the same price every month. Whereas if you look at some other well-known brands, as you grow your list, the price increases. I know someone who's paying like $400 a month just for his autoresponder, and in addition to that, he also has a separate landing page program system that he uses. So Conversion Pros, you get everything all in one for a low price of $50 per month, and that's it, $50 per month, and it comes with absolutely everything you need. Okay, so the first function, as I said, is to market your online business. Okay, the second function with the Conversion Pros is you can use the Conversion Pros to generate leads for your business. Okay, so it really is all-in-one system, a one-stop shop. And there's two methods of generating leads through the Conversion Pros. Number one, there's free methods where you can come here in the TCP webinars section, and there's training on Facebook marketing, Twitter marketing, YouTube marketing, Craigslist, the list goes on and on. All different types of training for all different types of platform, and the training is all about how to generate leads using those platforms and generating leads for free. Okay, so there's training there. So if you're not sure how to generate leads using, say, YouTube, for example, that's what you just watch the training, and he'll show you. David Dubbs is the owner of the business, who's a seven-figure owner, knows what he's talking about. So I recommend checking that out. The other way to generate leads is through paid methods. Okay, they got the section called ordering leads. So you can order leads. They come with generic leads. I'll just scroll down and show you. So there's generic business opportunity, male and female. There's female only, male only, but they've also got interview leads. And these are people who have been phone screened, where they ask questions about how much that person is willing to invest, how much time they got to invest, when they're looking to start, and how much money they want to make each month in an online business. So you've got a foundation there to give these leads a call, get them on the phone and talk to them about your business opportunity and get started. You don't have to call the leads, but it is recommended. But you can, if you don't want to call them, you can actually have them go straight into your autoresponder, and they'll start getting automatic messages through your system. Okay. All right, so that's number 2. You can use the Conversion Pros to also generate leads for your business. Okay. Now, the third function the Conversion Pros has is you can actually use the Conversion Pros to make money. All right, so it's actually a business opportunity in itself. And the good thing about the Conversion Pros is they pay out 50% commissions on a monthly basis. So if you refer a paid member and they stay with the Conversion Pros for a year, you'll be getting paid month after month after month for their subscription to the Conversion Pros. So it's $50 a month as a paid member, and you get paid $25 a month commission. So what that means is you only need to refer 2 people, and then the tools become free for you to use. Okay, so that's the beauty about the Conversion Pros, is not only are you using the Conversion Pros tools to market and build and make sales in your current online business, but you can also then generate a monthly residual income using the Conversion Pros. All right, so you're actually able to make income from the system as well. Now, it's why I say that is they've got share codes. All right, so the Conversion Pros has share codes. So all your pages that you build, you're going to share those pages with your team, with your members that you bring on board to your business, and then they can start using your pages to build their business. You can also share your autoresponder, your email series, so that they can start using that as well. So you can help your team, give them a head start in their online business. And so what that means is you bring someone into your business, you make money there, but then you give your referral the tools that they need to build their business. So now you're going to make money there as well, because remember, you get paid 50% commissions. So you get $25 per month for each person you refer to the Conversion Pros. So you're basically building multiple streams of income with the Conversion Pros. And so it's a very, very good system to use in your online business, as well as refer other people to it. So they're the 3 things that 3 functions the Conversion Pros has. Number 1, you use the tools to market and build your online business, build your email marketing list. Number 2, you use it to generate leads for your business. And number 3, you use the Conversion Pros to actually generate an income, make some money online. So they're the 3 functions. As I said, the best way, however, is to sign up for the system yourself, so that you can, thoroughly go through everything to see if it's exactly what you're looking for in a marketing system. I know it's exactly what I wanted. There are other marketing systems out there, but what I didn't like is you join it and then they just keep upselling you into other things. But I don't want to do that. I want to market my primary business, and the Conversion Pros has no upsells, and so it's got all the tools I need. I can share my pages with my team and build a monthly residual income at the same time. Okay, so that's pretty much all. I hope that gave you a better understanding of what the Conversion Pros is all about. As I said, get a 7-day free trial. I'll leave a link in the description below that you can take a look at this system. I'll give you the link to this page here. Now, this talks about the business opportunity that comes with the Conversion Pros. So there's a sales funnel that you can go through. You can actually use it for yourself. If you want to use the Conversion Pros to make money online as your primary business, you certainly can. You can use this exact sales funnel. You get this exact capture page, but you can go through, there's a link inside there to get a 7-day free trial. You can go ahead and get that 7-day free trial and check it out for yourself. Look at all the tools. I suggest going through the fast start section so you can get more thorough training on all the tools inside. And that is about all. So I'll leave the link in the description. Thank you again for watching this video. I hope it was helpful to you, and I hope it gave you a better understanding of why you should take on the Conversion Pros as your marketing system, so that you can build your online business and make some income. All right. So thanks again. My name is Jed George. Links are in the description. Click them now, take a look at it yourself, and I'll be talking to you soon. Take care. Bye.